Hello everybody and welcome to our channel, The Magical McDs. We just got back from an incredible weekend staying at the brand new Universal Helios Grand Hotel, which is operated by the Lowe's chain. This theme park is built into Epic Universe. It is the first theme park on the East Coast that I know of that is actually in a theme park. I believe it's the second in the United States, the first being the Grand Californian, which while it is attached to the California Adventure theme park at the Disneyland Resort, it is not quite the centerpiece of the theme park that this Helios Grand Hotel is to the Epic Universe. We absolutely loved our stay. We did have some quibbles, so this room tour will be repeated again in our longer, much longer video. That'll be a glimpse at the entire hotel, the entire resort, and what a stay there is like. So look for that if you want to know all about that. The good, the bad, and unfortunately some ugly. I'm not going to lie. Definitely subscribe to the channel. That'll be coming up in a while. It's going to be a big beast to edit though, so bear with me. I just wanted to get the room review up because we loved our room. There's no complaints on that front, and we stayed there for the view. You're going to see it in a few minutes. It is spectacular. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go ahead and skip. This will be the room tour. And then a little bit of after information about the iPad, and then I'll go ahead and close it out. Guys, we're at 800 and I think 12 subscribers today. We're making our final push to 1,000. If you like this content, if you like going to theme parks, if you like Disney, Universal, and travel in general, we just went to Nashville. We're putting those vlogs up. We went to Dominican Republic last year. That kind of content. It's all here. We have a lot of fun. We'd love for you to join our adventures and be on our way. Please go ahead and subscribe. We'd love to have you. And with that, let's get to the room tour. By the way, this is room 532 on the 5th floor of the Helios Grand Hotel. All right, here we go. Amber, what time is it?
It is 2:05.
2:05. So we checked in early. They got us in. Obviously, they don't guarantee your room until 4 o'clock, so we got in a couple hours early. This is, we're on the 5th floor. Gotta like this. The hallways are very nice. So we requested a high floor with a center view, and boy, they delivered. We're on the 5th floor. There's 9 total.
Yes.
So we're kind of in the middle of the pack.
I think Bar Helios is the 10th floor.
Yeah, and then the Bar Helios is on the 10th floor. So let's unveil the curtain, shall we? Okay, now if you've ever seen one of my room tours, you know that I don't mess around. I don't make you wait for it. I take you right to what you came here to see, and that is the view. And ladies and gentlemen, this view is amazing. Floor to ceiling windows. We are basically dead center of the hotel. Look at that. You are in the action here. That is the Blue Dragon Chinese restaurant. We're at the tip of Celestial Park. You can kind of see the entrance to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter over there. The Starlight Racers, the roller coaster, the carousel in the center of the park, the entrance to Dark Universe, Darkmoor, Super Nintendo Land out in the distance, and then the main entrance way in the distance there. You can see the spinning orb. So I can't wait to show this to you guys at night. I absolutely love it. I love the amount of water that is at this, not just at this resort, but at this theme park. I mean, look, it's everywhere. It just feels refreshing. It looks refreshing. This is awesome. This is what you're paying for at this hotel. You're paying for this view and you're paying for this access because you just go to the bottom and you walk right in. We'll show you guys that later. But let's check out this room. I'm not going to lie. It's on the smaller side. That's okay. It feels like there's plenty of room in here. We have a king bed, so it feels relatively spacious. There is an iPad in here. I have not had a chance to play with that. What I do like, though, is on this TV, which I think is about a 50-inch, maybe 55-inch, they're playing, of course, promos for all the Universal theme parks. It's nice. There's the nice desk area. Everything just feels high quality. I mean, granted, it's brand new. The place has barely been open, but like all the handles on the drawers just feel rugged and good. There is a mini fridge here, and I believe it is a fridge, not a cooler, because there's controls on there to turn down the temperature, which is always nice. I love the headstand to the bed. Look at that. It's just cool. I like it. I really like the lights. I like the brass fixtures. I'm really fascinated to play with that. There are plenty of USB and power outlets. Looks like there's USB-C as well. So you're not going to have a problem with that. You could make this place nice and cold. I've already got it Tim down to a 65. The one slight criticism, I feel like the entranceway could be a little grander for the Grand Helios Hotel. It's kind of a tight passageway, but that's okay because I do like this light fixture that greets you when you come in. Of course, there's a full-size mirror to look. You can check yourself on your way out. A nice closet. Again, everything is just sturdy. The handles feel nice and sturdy. The doors are nice and heavy. So you got a safe in here, a luggage rack, an ironing board. By the way, have you ever used an ironing board in a hotel? I've never done that. An extra set of sheets and pillows and whatnot, and then the actual iron. Plenty of hangers, more than we had in Nashville, I'll tell you that. And then the bathroom. The vanity is separate from the shower area. Again, I like it. I like the kind of the same vibe with the light fixtures. Just one sink. Then there's a barn door here, kind of over these barn doors, but it is what it is. And then I'm not complaining about this shower. I love a walk-in shower. So it's nice. There's plenty of space in here. It's not a rain head, but I think those are overrated anyways. I will tell you guys how the water pressure is later. There's a nice step in here. There's good product. I'm not a fan of bar soap, so I'm always happy when they have body lotion. There's the shower head. Looks like they kind of go cheap on the towels. You might want to request extra towels. I think there's only 2 in here. And then the bath mat. Yeah, so that's a thing. But I like it. I like that there's a tile floor when you enter, and then it turns into a carpet. There is a coffee maker in here. Plenty of drawer space. I'm glad that there are 2 chairs because I think Amber and we brought a little mini bar along with us. I think we're going to be making some cocktails, and we're going to be sitting, her there, me in that chair over here, drinks there, and taking this in. We plan on live streaming, just leaving our phone running and live streaming on our channel during some of the day-to-day and then at night while we're here on this trip. So you can find footage of that, or maybe you're lucky enough to catch it live. We haven't done it yet, but yeah, this is spectacular. If anybody knows, I'm curious, what is that hotel way off in the distance out there? Is that... I'm not even going to hazard a guess. I just don't know what that is. But it's a big hotel. I'm a hotel whore, in case that wasn't clear. There's Stella Nova and Terra Luna. The other resorts, they're very close. Guys, this is just awesome. Let's go see beautiful wife's out in the hallway checking things out. She never likes to follow me in to do these tours because you get a little cramped. But let's bring her in to get her input. Amber, I'm talking about you.
Hi.
Come on in.
Okay.
I was gonna say, what were your first impressions? You love this.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's the view.
It's the view.
Like, I mean, is all of this like super nice and upscale? Like, I love the fixtures. I love the.
Yeah.
I mean, did you show the mirror even? Like,
Yeah.
I really like how it's like, you know, kind of distressed and it's
Yeah.
just nice.
Yeah.
Okay. But you know, something else I really loved. I didn't even look in there yet myself.
Yep.
Come here. So it's not even just the view, right? Because let's take a moment again. Isn't that view? Just, I mean.
I think about half the video has been me pointing at the camera.
Like, what I think we're gonna do is after we do Bar Helios tonight, we're just gonna sit here for like 3 hours
And drink.
after and look at the park.
Yeah.
Like, it's so pretty. I cannot wait for the lights. I can't. I mean,
Yeah.
this is just.
This is gonna pop.
spectacular.
Like, we know the dragon lights. I mean, this whole place just pops at night.
It's spectacular.
You know, and they
But
make you leave without really seeing in the dark. It gets
I'm-
dark and then they shut the park down.
You know, the only thing that I will say that I'm a little sad about,
What?
we can't see Dark Universe.
So I don't think
Because
you
it's
get
like-
that with any of the rooms though, because the hotel kind of curves inward.
Okay, so.
So maybe if you're on the far end, you might see more
You
of it.
might see it a little. Okay.
But I don't. Yeah.
It's okay. It's tiny. It's an. What do they call it?
A quibble.
Picky knit?
A picky knit. Yeah,
A
that's
picky knit.
from the rewatchables.
So I just would like to be able to see the manor. at
Absolutely,
night.
absolutely.
Or like the burning blade, right?
Oh, we might be able
Do you
to
think
see
we'll be able to
that.
see that?
Yeah, no, I don't. I'm
don't
not
know.
sure.
Okay,
It's kind of
anyways.
behind the werewolf. We'll find out tonight because it'll be hard to miss. There's a burning windmill out there.
Yeah. But let's get back to it. I really like a lot of the artwork throughout the hotel is like moon themed.
Yeah.
Which makes total sense, right?
Yeah, and this is like boxed art. This isn't just some
I
painting they grabbed off of like a flea
love
market.
it.
Yeah.
I love it. And
love this bedspread.
I like that it's like crushed velvet.
Yeah, like
It's
multi-toned.
it's so nice.
Right, and the headboard I was commenting on. Look how many, there's like 8 USB plugs.
And how fun is it to stay in a hotel that like only a handful of people have slept on the bed?
That's right. It feels pretty good, right?
It feels good, right? Yeah.
So
This is amazing.
I am jazzed.
I am just like so taken with how awesome it is. Like this is a breathtaking. Like I think this might be one of our like top. It's definitely in the top 5 hotels we've ever seen.
Yeah. So guys, this will be a standalone video. I will go ahead and tack on some nighttime. Oh, what? One more thing?
Take a walk. Really quick.
Okay.
He can
It's a room tour plus.
he can say goodbye.
Where are we
Out
going?
here. Go to the elevators.
Okay. So like dead center. There's the elevator bank. There's our room. Request fulfilled.
So it's a really cool view up here of the pool.
6 elevators, by the way. Very convenient. Oh, yeah.
It's a really cool view of the pool. If you would like to see it.
There you go. There's the pool from up high. The lagoon bar. The Lotus Lagoon, which I love. I'm in love with that pool bar. Is that bocce ball or it's not croquet? We're trying to figure that out.
And then obviously the parking lot.
Yeah, and then there's the parking lot.
Yeah, but how cool.
Yeah, obviously not our view, but it's still pretty great. So I think that's going to do it.
Clearly our view is the best.
It is. So this will be a standalone video. I will pop in some footage if you're watching the room tour only version of this. So I'll pop this in at the end. You'll see some nighttime footage. Get some bonus footage for your ear. Because I mentioned the iPad when I was in the tour. I'm like, I don't know what it does.
It's BTS.
But I've since picked up on it. Look, so the curtains are closed.
Yes.
Not for long.
Ooh, look at that reveal.
Look at that. This also controls the lights. You can explore dining. It looks like it controls the TV.
How cool.
Yeah, this is awesome.
High tech. Do you love it?
Very slick. Very cool.
Okay, now Adrian really loves having a toy.
Yeah, I'm taking this with me.
Can we take it home and will it work for us at home?
I'll tell you what, the home screen image of the hotel would make the best thumbnail for this place.
Yeah.
Because it was clearly taken with a drone out here, and I want it.
Oh, I love it.
Oh, about the hotel. I love it about the hotel section. Theme park and city walks.
Oh.
You can view your bill on here.
Okay, well, let's not do that yet.
No.
It's still early.
Oh, you can watch Netflix on here, Hulu.
We just called Bell Services, and they're bringing up our luggage.
Right, look, you can tune into the Magic of McD's YouTube channel.
Oh, look at that.
Saying,
From your Helios
this
room.
Video
in this room.
Meta.
How meta.
All right. Well, I think that's going to do it for the iPad deleted scene. Well, like I said, we'll still drop in the nighttime footage probably right after I'm talking right now. All right, you guys, that's going to do it. As promised, here is some footage from nighttime. In fact, this is the nighttime show. I believe this is some time-lapse footage that Andrew captured of the Nighttime Spectacular. It starts at 9:50 every night, and this is exactly what it looked like from our room. Great show. Do not miss it. By the way, the other thing I wanted to add was the water pressure. The water pressure in the shower was fantastic. It's got a few different settings. It's a lovely walk-in shower. So if that's important to you, because I know it is to me, I should know about that. The other thing I'll say is the air conditioning was wont to shut off at night. And once it got down to the temperature is advertised, I don't know if it's on a motion sensor, but it also provided a lot of good white noise. So if white noise is important to you, bring a white noise machine or just be prepared to keep on getting up and resetting the air conditioning so it goes back on. Just keep that in mind. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Like I said, stay tuned for the much larger, if you will, grander review of the Helios Grand Hotel at Epic Universe coming up in the next, week or so. Bear with me, but it's going to have a lot of good information in it, and it's really going to give you a first-hand look at what an experience at this hotel is like. So we really look forward to bringing that to you. So if you want to see that, go ahead and subscribe. Until next time, guys, have fun storming the castle, and stay magical.